Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're doing a quick wash and press on my client here who basically came in and said, Crystal, don't give me any curls, make it straight. The curls don't last. That's what I want. So we started out by using our Elite Clarifying Shampoo. This is a gentle cleansing shampoo. It cleans the hair and the scalp, but it does not diminish the hair of all of its natural oils. Now, of course, I'm going to give my girl here a nice scratch that is going to take care of all the itchies and soothing. And then we're going to rinse her out with some warm water. So trivia question for you guys. And if you know the answer, go ahead and type it down in the comment section. Why do I always start, or a majority of the time, start with a clarifying shampoo? Comment in the comment section and tell me why. All right, moving forward, I went ahead and used our Hair Repair and Restore sulfate-free shampoo, and I paired it with a little bit of our new Super Goddess regrowth or growth serum, right? So this is a water-based serum. It can be used during your shampoo. It can be used while your hair is in extensions. It can be used while your hair is natural, relaxed. You could be white, Asian, Spanish, Antarctican, Jamaican, Japanese, African, did I say Antarctican? Yep, Alaskan. You can be from South Pole, you can be from North Pole. It doesn't matter. This serum can be utilized on all hair types because it is nice and lightweight, but it is also highly effective in helping to reduce the inflammation in the scalp, keep that scalp and follicle nice and clean to help speed that process of stubborn growth up. So I started by using it in our shampoo process, but the good thing about the Super Growth Serum is it can be used all the way through the process. You can use it in your shampoo, you can use it in your conditioner. You can also use it when you are going to be doing your styling right before you dry your hair. You guys will get to see me utilize this particular serum throughout a lot of my videos because I love this serum. Now I'm using our paddle detangling brush from our 4-piece Detangle Me kit. This paddle brush is awesome. It manipulates the hair. It helps to detangle the hair, but it also is nice and movable. And it can be rinsed out right at the sink, so you don't have that padded cushion on this brush. Now, I did use our Hair Repair and Restore conditioner on her. I did allow it to sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing it. And recall that I did put in some of our Super Growth Serum into the conditioner, which is another reason why I left it on her hair for about, I want to say 5 to 10 minutes, you guys. This video was done about 30 days ago, and I just got to editing it, so bear with me. Now for her rinse, I am using cold water. That is very important, especially with the conditioner phase. And then I just squeeze her hair out, towel dried it, and then I use a little bit of our Hydra Strength leave-in conditioner on her hair. So now she is nice and dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start the silk out process. I started by just silking out her kitchen in the nape of her neck, and then because she is fine textured, I am doing slightly larger sections. Even though, you know, it is a silk press, but I am also silking and curling her all at the same time because you want to take an effect that she is fine in texture, right? And I don't want to go back and have to keep pressing. Like, it is a pet peeve of mine to see stylists do 800 passes on hair that's almost already bone straight. Like, could you heat damage her any more than she already is? Like, come on. So another pro tip for you guys, when you are doing your silking or flat ironing, make sure that you maintain your tension all the way until the hair falls out of the flat iron. That is how you alleviate getting fish hooks and getting frizzy ends. This is what we call sealing the ends with your flat iron. Okay, so just a pro tip for you guys. Also, the comb that I'm using, that comb is called YS Park. Their combs are really, really good, especially for professional use. If you are one of those people where you're very stickler on your combs, look up YS Park combs and you will find those combs. I love those combs. Okay, I love YS Park combs. All right, so if you guys can tell, like, her silk press is not taking me a very long time, and that's another reason why I was very particular on making sure that I'm doing slightly larger sections and I'm curling her all at the same time. Okay, and then for her hairline, I did use our little 3/10 of an inch iron just to silk out her hairline. Now, she does have some thinning in the crown area, you guys. She is okay with it. I am okay with it. So, You know, you can use hair fibers if you choose to. If not, you just keep it moving. You know, some people are content with certain things. Others have, you know, a more, what's the word, self-conscious thought behind it. But you guys, she is also salt and pepper. So sometimes it will give you that kind of look of distinguished. Like it kind of makes it more obvious. I couldn't think of the word. But as you guys understood, you know, she's okay with it. It's not every problem that you are rushing to go and fix, but I still applied our super growth serum anyway, because that is my job to make sure that I give my client the absolute best. So now we're just going to go ahead and finish out the style in the top here. When I tell you her press takes me no longer than about 15 to 20 minutes. And even with a client who has very dense hair, a press with a client who has very dense hair will take me no longer than about 30 minutes. And that's more than likely including the blow dry. So I feel like I have this down pat. Like I've been doing this so long when it comes on to hair care. My strategies are in the bank. Like my clients are typically in and out of the salon within 2 to 4 hours. And the only reason why I say 4 hours is because it depends on the nature of the service the client is getting. But my clients are never in my chair. They do not spend the day with me. I'm so funny on that, you guys. But anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to also thumbs up this live. And you guys, please start sharing my videos on your channel. If you see a video that you like, all you have to do is hit that share button. Share my videos on your Facebook page. Share my videos to your friends and colleagues. Send them a text. Hey, you need to watch this video. Get these videos out there, you guys. That is a part of the Elite Pro tribe, okay? So what I'm doing right now is just going through and then just kind of combing her hair out slightly. I already pressed her and curled her. So really at this point, we're just kind of just giving her a little bit of toss, a little bit of oomph, and she is out the door. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, 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 like I said, don't forget to subscribe, share, thumbs up, and also comment your answer to why I use the clarifying shampoo in the comment box. I will see everybody in the next video. And once again, thanks for watching.